Okay, let's create some directories that we will be required in our project. So we will create some partial for header, footer, errors, and also we can also do that other file for scripting. If you want, we will include our scripts, so we will do in our partials. So you can name it any that you can mm, do with the basic. I think the partial is fine, and we will go with it. Okay, so resources, views, and under views, create a folder, new folder, and we will name it partials. And so partial is there, and under partials, let's create some file that will be required. So under partials, so right click on partials directory and create a new file, and we will just save it by name it, so we can remember. So because we will include this file in our app layouts, main layouts that will be defined. So we will keep its name errors that we will show in our applications. So errors, and we will start this file name with underscore. So when we use it, we will remember that we have created with the underscore file, so definitely we have to include in our app file. So errors dot blade dot php, just save it and create another file. So we will save it with the name underscore head. So we will separate our head in our app that we can easily manage it throughout our application. So underscore head dot blade dot php, and we will create another file. So control S to save, and start with underscore, and it will be a nav, which will be a navigation bar. So underscore nav dot blade dot php, and we will require another file, and this one there will be footer. So control S, save underscore to start, name it footer dot blade dot php. And one more file that we will require to our to JavaScript, or JQuery that we will use. So we will use our functions in our script file, or we will be separate. So we will include our scripting in this file. So control S to save, start underscore, and name it script dot blade dot php. Our partial is created, and in next video we will create our templates.